What's up guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a signal CRT effect. The only thing to make this effect is the signal plugin. The first effect you want to add is hue/saturation. Put our saturation at -47. Put our lightness at -28. Second effect you want to add is colorama. Head to output cycle. Put these colors on transparent. Next, you want to make sure all the colors right here are on teal. The next effect is going to be exposure. Head to the start of our keyframe, click on a little stopwatch, and we're going to put our exposure at 11.86. Then we're going to head towards around the quarter of our adjustment layer, so about right there. Put it on 0. Next effect you want to add is radio blur. Put the type on zoom. Best quality at high. Go to the start right here. Put the amount at 11.6. Head towards the quarter once again. Put it on 0. Next you want to add a signal. Go to strength. Put it on 127. Go to amplification. Put it on 59. Go to cutoff filter. Put it at 1. Go to luminoise. Put it at 0. Chroma noise. Put it at 0. Hue noise, put it at 0. Chroma loss, put it at 0. Put it on VHS LP. Then head down to luma modulation. Turn it off. Next effect is going to be Gaussian blur. Put the blurriness at 3 and make sure you have these settings right here. Next you want to add is grid. Put the blending mode on hard light. Head over here and put our width and height sliders. Go to our width, put it at 2. Our height, put it at 4. And put the border at 1. And then you want to head to the color and put it on black. Once after you add all these effects, this should be your final product. To those who stuck it to the end, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and have a good day.